Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to turn on automatic screen brightness on your iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do that, we're going to need to go to Settings, and then scroll down here. Open Accessibility, and then open Display and Text Size. And down here at the very bottom, we have this setting that is responsible for the automatic brightness of the screen on your phone. If you want to turn it on, you turn it on. But if you want to turn it off, you turn it off. If this video helped you and liked it, subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you all very much for watching this video to the end. This method works on absolutely any iPhone, so try it. Goodbye everyone.